Are you looking for a tastefully renovated 3-bed, 2-bath farmhouse in upstate New York, just 15 minutes from Warren Street in Hudson, with this beautiful mountain view? Well, look no further. We're here in Germantown and we're going to take an exclusive tour of our new listing. Enter the front of the home and you're greeted by an effortless layout perfect for full-time living or as your vacation getaway. Accent tin ceilings, white oak hardwood floors stained to perfection, and original pocket doors bring you through the living room, dining room, and into the thoughtfully renovated kitchen furnished with all new stainless steel appliances and a custom built out breakfast nook. Completing the first floor is a half bathroom, laundry room, and a walkout to the newly installed back deck overlooking the private backyard. Upstairs, you'll find 3 comfortable-sized, light-filled bedrooms and a full bathroom. A huge perk of this home is that all the windows, floors, fixtures, bathrooms, appliances, and roof are new and ready for you to move in. Being in Germantown, you have the luxury of a small town while being 15 minutes to Warren Street in Hudson, where you access to all restaurants, antique stores, hiking, lakes, and more. Located in close proximity to Red Hook, Rhinebeck, and just across the river from Catskill, you're 15 minutes from the Taconic State Parkway, 20 minutes from the New York State Thruway, and 2.5 hours from New York City. Thank you for touring our newest listing here in Germantown. 4470 Route 9G. Give us a call today.